looking at Lazy Gal Beauty, quick hacks to help you get ready quick and still look your best. Beauty expert Vicki Williams from sharetheglam.com is here, and we're looking at some ways to get that hot glam in the summertime. Morgan and I love to spend lots of time getting ready, don't we, Morgan?
We
the
do.
two of us.
Nobody does.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to stay in bed. What are you talking about?
So tell us what we've got, what we're starting with.
Well, I think the biggest concern for people in the morning is hair. They're like, I spend way too much time on my hair.
Right.
Makeup I can probably do in my car, sadly, right? But hair is the big complaint that most people have. So we have Nikki here, and what we've done is we've just given her like the basic blowout, right? But what you really kind of have to start to, you know how you start with primers for your skin? This is great to start with a hair primer or kind of like a protectant spray. You see them everywhere, but they're not all the same. And this one's new. I want to show you right here. This is the Joico Defy Damage. This is their protecting shield. So it's a cream, okay? So you're just going to take a little bit of the cream, just like this.
Yeah.
And what we did is we put it on our hair damp already and we styled it, but I'm going to go ahead and just show you because what this does is it's incredible. It restores her shine, keeps her shine in place, so less trips to the salon, right? But it's also incredible because it creates a shine, but what we love about it is actually holds curl longer and style longer. It has all these incredible UV benefits, everything, but it is just absolutely amazing because you can go in and it's going to protect that layer to your hair, keep that shine, and you can just kind of see, I don't know if you can see the shine from here, but we love it. Why we love it too is that it's weightless.
That's what I always find with these creams. I put them in my hair
down.
and then I look, you know, it's all stuck to my face.
So what we want to do is maintain the shine, and we want to have this, whatever style we put in our hair last longer, right? Because then that doesn't leave us tomorrow having to get up and do it all over again.
And how much is something like that?
$20.99, and you can get it at Ulta. The whole series from Joico is great.
2-day hair.
Yeah. So then once you get it in there and you need a little love, right, you want to go in with a dry shampoo. But not all dry shampoos are the same, so you kind of want to find one that's going to do multitasking, right? This one is by SGX. This is their New York City. This is the Do It All. It's kind of like a 3-in-1 texturizing spray. But what's amazing about it is it works on all hair color. So I'm going to show you really quickly right here. We're going to go in. You see that? I'm going to turn your head slightly. Do you see any deposit?
No.
You can use it on blonde, you can use it on dark. What's great about it is it's actually going to create the texture that you want, the volume that you want, but it's also going to be brushable, or if you want to just finger tousle it, I love it. It's got all like the good stuff in it, it's vegan, it's all of the stuff in case you're worried about that, you know. But what I love about it is it creates that, so it's great.
All right, so that one is how much?
$6.99 Target.
All right, we got to move. We got about 2 minutes left.
All right, brand new. You're going to touch up your color on the go. Revlon came out with this product. This is unbelievable. This is their Revlon Root Erase. What's great about it is it has this little chamber right here. You see that? That chamber kind of does all the mixing for you. You know how you usually have to mix it up in a container? You pop it right in there. You put it on your hair, 5 minutes. That's all it takes. Rinses out, 13 different shades. Brand new, unbelievable. Changing hair color at home.
Okay.
All right.
Do you wipe? Do you cleansing wipe? This is awesome. This is basically the secret new body cleansing wipes. What's great about this is it's actually really, really trending right now for people just to get up and wipe. But also think about if you go to the gym. These are actually
so instead of showering, you're just wiping.
Yes, and they're incredibly refreshing because I tried it. But what's really cool about it is that they're individually packed, alcohol-free, but they're really refreshing. And we're finding more and more people are going like, hey, I don't have all the time, so I'm going to wipe. But I'm telling you, they're really great. So if you are running low, these are awesome.
Wipe your underarms?
You're basically going to cleansing their body cleansing wipes. But they're great for your purse, and I love the fact they're alcohol-free, individually wrapped, so you can pop them in your purse anytime.
What's this here?
Biossance. This is actually incredible. This is their squalene and glycolic renewal facial. Who has time for the salon, right? But what's amazing about this is that you put it on your skin, you use it just like you would a facial, right?
Yeah.
You leave it on for 3 minutes, and what it does, it works like a mask to hydrate, but it also exfoliates. If you feel my hand really quickly, you'll feel like these little beautiful little kind of fibers.
Nice.
Gorgeous. You're going to do that. You're going to lightly scrub it on the way out. When you take it off, your skin's going to be firmer, but it's actually going to be incredibly radiant, and it's loaded with glycolic, which we love.
All right, we just got about 10 seconds left. What's this here?
Tiege Hanley. Okay, guys can be lazy too. Think about if you had like a subscription plan for a guy that was $45 that had all the skincare they needed. Do you think that would be really popular? Guys are dying to take care of their skin too, but this project is...
Are they?
Yes, they keep asking
my husband
They keep asking me for it. It's $45. It has all the skincare that you need, and it's subscription based, so it's unbelievable. Eye cream, they're not going to steal yours anymore.
No.
It's amazing.
For more information, you can go to sharetheglam.com. Mickey's always got great ideas in there. Shows her information on the screen. You can also follow